let's tear down this pier to get wood for my HQ.
Okay, on it!
Yes, sir. Here we go.
I really thought that plan would work.
Me too.
What was that?
Breaky, breaky.
Oh no! Ultron's gonna tear down the pier.
We'll stop him. And I have an iron idea. Those mechanical arms are so strong that we can use them to break themselves. I know what Ironpuff's trying to say. Repulsors ready.
Game on. I'll use this wood to make my water slide. Maybe I'll let you two ride it.
Oh, you're the best.
Hope I don't get rusty.
Sorry, Ultron. No beachside HQ for you today, or ever.
Oh, silly Iron friends, we've been through this already. You're no match for my robotic laser arms.
We'll see about that.
Just try and catch us.